You've probably eaten fish before, but have you ever stopped to think about what might have been eating it? Because lurking in the mouths of certain fish is a real-life horror show, a parasite so bizarre, it'll make your skin crawl. Meet Cymothoa exigua, the tongue-eating louse. Yes, it's exactly what it sounds like. This isn't just a parasite, it's an architect of terror. It sneaks into a fish's mouth through its gills, attaches to the tongue, and then begins to feed on its blood, causing the tongue to atrophy and eventually fall off. But here's the truly disturbing part. The louse then replaces the tongue. The fish can actually use the louse as its own new tongue, continuing to feed as if nothing happened. Imagine that. A living, breathing horror replacing one of your vital organs. And you're just fine with it. These terrifying crustaceans are found worldwide, usually in warmer ocean waters, from the Atlantic to the Pacific. While they only target fish, the sheer audacity of this creature's survival strategy is the stuff of nightmares. So next time you're enjoying your seafood, spare a thought for the fish. You never know who or what might have been dining with it. This is just one of the planet's scariest species facts. What other horrors are hiding in plain sight?